This is June with New Orleans Potions, and I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy nail polish. I already put my monster beads in, and I already put my label. These I get from Avery. They're craft labels, and so I can write on them. Okay, the first thing I want to do is put my base. So this is Extender White from TKB, and I'm going to put a dash. This is a combination of titanium dioxide and mica powder. Push that in. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to put is my color, and I'm going to use this mica powder. That's, let's see, this is called Sunset Glow, and I'm going to put a tad of Sunset Glow. These are so simple and they dry really fast. I'll make some more complicated colors later, but right now I'm starting these videos with the easy color. Okay, once we get that in there, then we can put, we're going to use 91% alcohol to wet the pigment and the mica powder. Okay. You put a good squeeze in there because you want to make this liquid so you can shake it. You can see the color that it's already going to be. And I'm not going to change that because this is what I'm going for, just the color of the mica. And using the base that I used to color the polish, because this is the Luster Base by TKB. Okay, that's wet. And it's mixed, and that's the color it's going to be. So now all I need to do is add the Luster Base. And I'm going to pour some in and try to wet the side of the bottle just a little bit so I can see as I'm filling it. There. And you only want to fill it just to the neck. Okay, that's it. And then the next thing you want to do is I fan these brushes out really good before I put them in to get the glue out. Okay, and once you twist the top on, it pushes the brush into the top. And then the next thing you need to do is just shake it really good. And this is ready to go. You can use this right away. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to polish it on a nail chart just so you can see how it looks. Move that. And this is a color I had done earlier. So we're going to put it on the opposite end. And I guess this one's going to be kind of sheer, but it's a nice soft color. Let's see if we can get it to paint on properly. I'm going to try and dry it real quick so you can see what it looks like. If you have a nail dryer at work like that blows air, these dry real quick. All right, let's get the second coat on. This brush is a little stiff. Okay, there's your color. It's a little streaky. I'm going to dry it a little bit because I think I was trying to go too fast, but that's the color. And that's the color. It's really a pretty color. And I called it Sunset Glow. A lot of these I name after the mica powders, and then after I go back and I rename them because I write everything down on these recipe cards because it's really quick and easy to forget when you're mixing and blending. Okay, this is June with New Orleans Potions.